Good morning, student. Chapter number 6, Molecular Basic of Inheritance. Next theory discuss packaging of DNA helix, or in 2 marks board. What is a nucleosome? Draw a figure. First, this is a DNA helical structure. DNA helix, deoxyribonucleic acid. This side is a core of histone molecules. This side is a core of histone molecules. This is a H1 histone, and this area is a histone octamer. Histone means it is a one type of proteins. Taken the distance between consequent base pair as a 0.34 nanometer, means 0.34 10 raised to minus 9 meter. This length of DNA helix. Mammalian cell as a calculated by simply multiplying the total number of base pair with distance between two consecutive base pair, that is 6.6 10 raised to 9 base pair multiply 0.34 multiply 10 raised to minus 9 meter per base pair. It comes out approximately 2.2 meters. This is a main MCQS question. A length that is a far greater than the dimension of a typical nucleus approximately 10 raised to minus 6 meter. Length of E. coli DNA is a 1.36 millimeter. Discuss of the prokaryotes and eukaryotes for electron microscope DNA helix. Electron microscope picture observed the DNA is a bits of string structure. This structure is a bits of string structure. Prokaryotes such as E. coli. E. coli means Escherichia coli bacteria. They do not have a defined nucleus. Eukaryotes means have a nucleus. Prokaryotes only for E. coli, they do not have defined nucleus. DNA is not scattered throughout the cell, but DNA is a negatively charged and protein is a positively charged. This sequence is a DNA is a negative and protein is a positive charge. In a region term as a nucleoid. What is a nucleoid? Nucleoid means DNA is a negatively charged and protein is a positively charged. The DNA nucleoid is a organized large loops held by proteins. It is a one type of histone, means proteins parts. Next topic, eukaryotes. Eukaryotes, the organization is more complex. There is a set positively charged basic proteins called histone. Means histone part is a proteins is a positively charged. A protein acquires charge depending upon the abundance of amino acid residue with charge side chain, and histone contain rich amino acid residue for lysine and arginine. Histone contain amino acid. First amino acid is a amino acid. Histone contain residue for lysine and arginine. Lysines and arginines. Both the amino acid residues carry positive charge, means protein is a positive charge in their side chain. Histones are organized unit of 8 molecule. 8 molecule contain, it is called histone octamer. Octamer means 8 parts, molecules of proteins. The negatively charge of DNA is wrapped around the positively charge of histone. The DNA is a negatively charged and histone contain part positively. This is a wrapped about for typical of structure of a nucleosome. Nucleosome contains 200 base pair of DNA helix, and nucleosome constitutes the repeating unit structure in a nucleus is called chromatin. Chromatin is a one type of protein. This is a thread-like structure. This is a thread-like stain color bodies seen in the nucleus, and the nucleosome in chromatin are seen in the bits of string nucleus. The nucleosome in chromatin are seen as beads on string. The structure view under electron microscope. This is the structure of electron microscope of beads of string for DNA. The beads on string structure in chromatin is packed to form chromatin fiber or further coil. This is a coil shape. Condension of metaphase stage and cell division from the chromosomes. The packaging of the chromatin higher level of requires of additional of one type of these proteins and collectively to refer to as non-histone chromosomal protein. NHC full form means non-histone chromosomal proteins. In a typical nucleus, some region chromatin are loosely packed strand-like and referred to as a euchromatin. Next point, chromatin, and another point for euchromatin. Heterochromatin means different. The chromatin that is a more densely packed, the stain is a dark. Chromatin is a densely dark layer. It is also known as heterochromatin. And euchromatin is said to be transcriptionally active chromatin, whereas the heterochromatin in active form. Clear? Most important question for the search of genetic material, for this is a Griffith experiment. Griffith experiment. In board, most time 12 science question for 2 marks. Describe the Griffith experiment. Even the discovery of nuclein by Miescher and the proposition for principal inheritance by Mendel's were almost same time for Miescher's and Mendel's, but that DNA act as a genetic material discovered by Prawn in 1926. Determine the mechanism of genetic inheritance reached the molecular level of previous discoveries by George Mendel, Walter Sutton, Thomas Hunt Morgan, and numerous other scientists had narrowed the search to the chromosome located in the nucleus for the most cells. But the question what molecule are actually the genetic material had not been answered. First experiment discovered for Griffith experiment is a transforming principle. In 1928, Frederick Griffith in a series of experiments start from the bacteria used Streptococcus pneumoniae. This is a pneumonia-like bacteria. Bacterium responsible for pneumonia. This is a disease for pneumonia. Winstead Michaelis transformation in bacteria. During the course of experiment, a living organism bacteria change in physical form. First start from the bacteria name Streptococcus pneumoniae. Streptococcus pneumoniae is a pneumococcus is a gram-positive bacteria are grown in a culture plate. First bacteria grow in a culture plate. Some produce is a smooth, S means smooth, and some is a rough colonies observed. S means smooth colony observed and R means rough colony observed. This is because S strain bacteria have a mucus contain polysaccharide medium coat, while R strain is does not. Mice experiment on mice. Mice infected with the S strain virulent die from the pneumonia infection, but mice infected with the R strain do not develop pneumonia. This is a 4 steps. First described in notes. S strain inject to the mouse is dead. Second, R strain inject to the mice is living form. After this condition, S strain is a hit and kill. Inject to the mice is a live form. To contain is mix. S strain hit kill, R strain live. Inject to mice is a death. These types of observation for injected mixture of hit kill S and live R bacteria, the mice is died. This is concluded for the Griffith experiment. R strain bacteria had somehow been transferred by the heat-kill S-strain bacteria, and some transferring principle transform the heat-kill S-strains. Means one type of mice is a dead position and another position is a living form. This is a living form only. S-strain heat kill. This is a mice is living form. R-strain it is a inject to mice is a living form. Right, enable to the R-strain and synthesis to smooth polysaccharide become a virulent. This must be transferred to the genetic material, and however the biochemical nature of genetic material has not been defined from the experiment. Clear? In biochemical characterization of transferring principle, first discovered by Oswald Avery, Colin McLeod, and Maclean McCarty in 1933 and 44, genetic material has a through a protein, not a nucleic acid. They work as a determined biochemical nature of transferring principle of Griffith experiment by the mice. That purified biochemicals contain proteins, DNA or RNA. Purified is mostly observed biochemicals, DNA, RNA and proteins from the heat kill S cells and could transform from R cells into S cells. The discovery of the DNA along the bacteria of S and caused R bacteria to be transformed, and they also discovered by protein digesting enzyme present for protein proteases, RNA digesting enzyme RNases, and did not effect transformation, so the transforming substance was not a protein or RNA. Digestion with DNAs did inhibit transformation, and suggesting that the DNA caused the transformation, that concluded that the DNA is the hereditary material. Genetic material is not confirmed. DNA is the hereditary material, but not all biologists were convinced. Thank you, students.